Calculating concentration can be quite tricky, but if you follow these few simple steps, then you should get the right answer each time on this type of question. So the question goes, we've got 4 grams of sodium hydroxide and we're dissolving it in 130 centimetre cubed of water. Calculate the concentration. Right, so the first thing that we need to do is work out how much 1 mole of sodium hydroxide weighs. So we're just doing the mass of a sodium, which is 23. We're adding to that an oxygen and a hydrogen, which gives us a mass of 40 grams for 1 mole of sodium hydroxide. Right, next thing that we need to do, work out how many moles we've got. So we know that we've got 4 grams from the question. We know that 1 mole weighs 40 grams. So you're just going to do 4 divided by 40 to give you 0.1 moles. Right, so we've got the number of moles. Next thing we need to do, calculate the volume. Remember, we need to get the volume in decimeters cubed. So we're going to go and take that 130 from the question and divide it by 1,000 to go and give us 0.13 decimeters cubed. Right, and finally we go and we plug all of those numbers into our calculation for concentration. So we're going to have 0.1 moles, which we've worked out there. We're dividing that by 0.13 decimeters cubed, which we worked out there, to give us a final concentration of 0.77 moles per decimeter cubed. You follow these simple steps on this type of question, should get it right every time.